हेलो सर, सबसे पहले तो आपका
Hello.
बहुत बहुत स्वागत है इंटरनेशनल पर्पल
you.
फेस्ट 2025 में।
Thank you.
ओके, तो सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज पर्पल फेस्ट में आके?
Very good and very happy to be here. And it's a very special event.
यस, वेरी ट्रू।
Very special event for all of us.
And thank you so much, sir. Because of you today we are present over here. You have given us an opportunity to, represent media, and we have come here as a part of NIPVD. So thank you so much, for giving us such
For
opportunity.
coming here and doing your work, wonderful work here. And our
Thank you.
stall is also a very attractive one. You have made this a very attractive stall. And I hope this Purple Fest is going to give us a great leap forward
Definitely,
for
sir.
us
Definitely.
to move forward, get important collaborators here. We came here, we met many people.
यस सर एंड सॉरी सर एंड सर जैसे कि अभी हम लोगों के लिए आरजी का कोर्स लॉन्च हुआ है दिव्यांगजनों के लिए, खास करके 2 कैटेगरीज़ के लिए, विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड एंड लोकोमोटर डिसेबिलिटी के लिए, और अभी रिसेंटली वेब डेवलपर सोशल मीडिया एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड वीडियो डेवलपर, या ये 2 जो कोर्सेज लॉन्च हुए हैं अभी, जैसे कि सर हम देख रहे हैं एआई का भी इंक्लूजन हो रहा है, तो जहाँ पर लोगों की जो है ज़रूरत कम होती जा रही है, तो ऐसे में और आगे जो कोर्सेज शुरू होने चाहिए उसको लेकर के आप मतलब क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
Actually, AI is not limiting the opportunities of human resources. It is actually giving us a scope for expanding our activities. The only thing is that you have to train yourself in AI.
Yes.
And if you don't train yourself, just as people who were writing when the computers came, then there was a fear that the jobs will be lost.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
after computer coming up, we actually expanded our scope. The opportunities become much more than what it was used to be in the past. Just like that, AI is going to bring a revolution where there will be more and more involvement of, human involvement. And you cannot replace human intelligence with artificial intelligence.
Very true, sir. It depends on
So,
how we use
yes.
it. Yes.
So, but our human intelligence will be augmented by the services of artificial intelligence. This is
In
what
the
I-
end, artificial intelligence is made by a human itself.
Yes,
So yes,
definitely.
it can't beat us. Sir, which is the most interesting part you felt in this Purple Fest today?
The interesting part is the coming together of people from different streams, but of a common cause. This is what inspires us.
Very true.
Everyone coming here is trying to build a very inclusive society. This is where we feel inspired and motivated.
Very true, sir. So with this energy and with this strength, if we keep on doing such, I think there will be no day when, India will have awareness about person with disability very soon. There will be no single person who will not know about this.
Yes, definitely.
So, yes. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank you
much,
so
sir.
much, sir.